Hey guys, so it looks like all hell is about to break loose for the Internet Computer ICP price, because if you take a look into the daily timeframe charts right now, you can see that we are once again gaining momentum towards the downside, and it looks like we are on the verge of having another leg towards the downside. So before all of this madness comes into play, I am here once again giving you an update on the ICP price, and we will discuss the recent price action and also talk about what we could expect next for the Internet Computer ICP price. So today we are inside the daily timeframe charts, and right now we've got an emergency video because it appears that the ICP price is once again gaining momentum towards the downside. For the past couple of days, we have been forming consecutive lower highs over here as represented by this resistance trend line. And as a matter of fact, it looks like the chart is curving towards the downside, and it is showing that we are gaining momentum towards the downside once again. So it looks like all hell is about to break loose, and it looks like panic mode is about to begin once again. So what can we expect from here? What can we do from here? And what are the important levels to look out for? Well, first of all, for that one, we must move into the longer weekly time frame so that you guys can see what I'm seeing right now. So essentially, we have marked the $7.4 level as a key support level right here. And yes, the past couple of weeks or the past couple of days, ICP has respected this level of support by bouncing off of it in the weekly time frame and opening or closing it in a green candle. But right now, it looks like we are about to lose this key level of support because we are once again, like I've said, gaining momentum towards the downside. So it looks like we are on the verge of losing this key level of support, which could be dangerous in the short term. We are about to lose this level right over here. So what can we expect from here? Well, the next major level of support to look out for is the $6.4 level right here, which is the most recent swing high in the weekly time frame charts. So yeah, that's the case right now. If we do see ICP lose this level of support, then we could see ICP continue moving towards the downside towards this next major support level at $6.4. So from the price we're at right now, that is going to be about a 15% dump towards the downside. So again, right now in the daily time frame, it looks like ICP is about to lose this level of support right here, which we have marked in the past couple of videos. And yes, ICP has respected this level. We have bounced off of it twice. But yeah, right now it looks like all hell is about to break loose, and I want you guys to prepare for the worst in the short term because things are looking a bit messy and things are looking a bit rough for the ICP price. So my expectation is that we could head much lower. If we do see ICP lose this level of support right here at $7.4, we could head down towards the next major support at $6.4 and potentially find support at this level in the next couple of days. So in the short term, though, the price action is looking terrible, that's for sure. But in the long term, my view still remains the same. And I believe that what we're seeing right now for the entire crypto market is a temporary occurrence. And it's just a normal part of bull runs, essentially. So yeah, right now the ICP structure is looking a bit, it's looking a bit bad right now because we have perfectly retraced to this key level of support, to this previous key level, which is the previous swing high. So it would be good if you do see ICP hold this level of support and bounce from this. But it is going to be very messy and dangerous if we see ICP break this structure and break below the recent swing high. Because once we do so, once we do break below this previous swing highs over here, the structure would not look bullish, and that could be dangerous for ICP. So I'm hoping that in the next couple of days or weeks, we must see ICP bounce off of this level so that my confidence for the price would still remain the same. So if you're wondering about my long-term view for ICP, if we do successfully bounce off of this key level of support, which is this red zone, that would be bullish, and then we could expect ICP to continue the next leg towards the upside, towards these levels of resistance first, and then finally at our ultimate bull run target for ICP in this cycle at $100. $100 is our bull run target for ICP in this cycle, and that would place ICP at around a $50 billion market cap, which is about a 12x 13x ROI from the price we're at right now. So yeah, I'm still expecting ICP to pump and to reach this target, and I'm just hoping the ICP would not lose again this red zone, because if we do lose this red zone of support, I would make an update video about my new expectations, and that could be very dangerous for ICP. So I'm hoping that in the next couple of weeks, ICP holds this level as support, and the bulls must try to take over, because if we do lose this level, things could turn bad for ICP. So pretty much that is it, and I'm expecting the crypto market to have a swift recovery in the next couple of months if you do see Bitcoin stop dumping towards the downside. So yeah, I just see this as another opportunity, and essentially I'm not selling all my cryptos yet, and I think that this is just a normal shakeout. This is just, you know, dips are a part of the game, and it's just up to us on how we handle these events. But I still believe that we are in the bull run. I still believe that we are in the middle of the cycle right now for Bitcoin, and I believe that there's more to come in the future. If you take a look at the Bitcoin charts right here in the long term, you can see we are dumping, but altcoins are taking a bigger hit. But personally, I think Bitcoin is again in the middle of its cycle, and after this nasty dip right here, we could see a swift recovery and continue moving towards the upside, towards our bull run target of 150k for Bitcoin and $100 for ICP. So yeah, take a look at the charts. It still looks healthy for Bitcoin, so I'm expecting higher prices in the next couple of months, and also for altcoins. And dips are just a normal part of the game. After the dips, we do have, of course, a nice pump towards the upside, and right now it looks like we're resembling the historical price action for Bitcoin through this dip right here. So all I'm trying to say right now is do not worry. I think there's nothing to worry about, but I may be wrong. But personally, there is nothing to worry about, because I still believe we are in the bull cycle. We are still in the middle of the bull cycle, and we are not yet at the blow off top, in my personal opinion. I could be wrong, but I believe that the blow off top is still far from here, and my investment decisions are based on that. So yeah, it could be tough right now. Times are tough. I'm down hard, but I did not sell a single position on all my altcoins, and this is just completely normal. Once alt season starts to occur, then things are gonna look good. But for now, we must just you know, must take the hit. We must just deal with the pain, and I believe that in the next couple of months we're gonna be seeing a swift recovery for altcoins if Bitcoin stops dumping. So that's all I can say. And if you guys picked up something valuable in this video, subscribe, like this video. And if you guys are looking for a community or group of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you are not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.